Hey there, free spirits. Ready to shake up your fitness routine? Here's the deal. No expensive gyms, no fancy gear. Just you, the outdoors, and a solid pair of sneakers. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Today, we're exploring how you can stay fit without draining your wallet. From running in the park to push-ups in your living room or pull-ups on a street bar, I've got you covered. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way, you won't miss out on more health, happiness, and free-spirited tips to help you live life to the fullest. Let's clear this up. Fitness doesn't need to be a luxury. You don't need a $100 a month gym membership to get in shape. Sure, a high-end gym full of shiny machines may look cool, but guess what? Your body weight and the great outdoors can do the job just as well, if not better. Why waste time staring at a treadmill indoors when you could be running free outside? Nature is the best and cheapest gym. You can work every muscle in your body with simple movements, push-ups, squats, pull-ups, and you don't need fancy machines to do it. Ask yourself, does your body know the difference between lifting a dumbbell or using your own weight to do push-ups? Nope. And overpriced gym gear? Please. A $300 designer outfit doesn't make you fitter. What matters is showing up, staying consistent, and pushing yourself, not what you wear while doing it. Let's talk running. It's one of the oldest, most natural forms of exercise known to humankind, and it's free. You don't need to spend a penny to boost your cardiovascular health, burn fat, and clear your mind. Whether you're jogging around your neighborhood, dashing through a forest, or pounding city streets, running is your ultimate tool for staying fit. But why stop at just running? Pair it with street workouts, push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges. All you need is your body weight and the great outdoors to build muscle, endurance, and strength. Most parks have pull-up bars, benches, or even designated workout areas. Use them. Still paying for fancy gym equipment? Think again. Park benches, perfect for step-ups, playgrounds, ideal for tricep dips. Suddenly, everyday objects become your workout buddies. What's your favorite outdoor workout spot? Drop a comment and share your creativity. Do you really need a personal trainer? Well, it depends. Here's the deal. Trainers are great for accountability, motivation, and helping beginners with form. They'll push you and correct your technique, especially if you're just starting out or aiming for something specific. But they can also cost a pretty penny. If you're tight on cash, don't stress. There are endless free resources online. YouTube, like this channel, fitness apps, or even social media influencers. These provide excellent workout plans and advice, often without costing a dime. At the end of the day, consistency is key. Whether you hire a trainer or not, it's about sticking to your routine and making it work for you. Chapter 4. Gear Talk, Sport Shoes and Smart Scales. Let's talk gear, specifically shoes. If you're going to invest in anything, make it a good pair of running shoes. Your feet are your foundation, and the wrong shoes can lead to injury, discomfort, and frustration. Here's the lowdown on running shoes. Neutral shoes are ideal for runners with a normal arch and who don't overpronate or supinate. They provide cushioning and flexibility. Stability shoes are best for those who overpronate. Your foot rolls inward too much. They offer extra support and structure. Trail running shoes, if you're tackling rugged terrain, will give you grip and protection for off-road adventures. Pick the right shoes for your feet. Most stores offer free gait analysis to help you make the right choice. Your knees and back will thank you. Now let's talk tech. Smart scales are a game changer. They don't just track your weight. They measure body fat, muscle mass, and even hydration levels. Pair that with a fitness app, and you've got a full snapshot of your progress. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Nike Run Club are free and provide workout plans, nutrition tracking, and progress monitoring, all without the cost of a trainer. Chapter 5. Sports as a social activity. Fitness isn't just about getting shredded, it's about connecting with people. Whether it's a running club, a friendly soccer game, or joining a CrossFit box, exercising with others is an amazing way to bond. The social aspect of fitness adds a whole new layer to your workouts. Not only are you getting fit, but you're also cheering each other on, setting group goals, and having fun. It's a win-win for your body and your mind. There's real science behind it too. Exercising with others boosts your endorphin levels, making you feel happier, more motivated, and less stressed. It's proof that sweating it out with friends isn't just fun, it's good for your mental health too. Made new friends through fitness? Tell us about it in the comments. Chapter 6. A history of exercise and sports. Let's take a step back in time. People have been staying fit for thousands of years, long before gyms existed. In ancient Greece, fitness was all about survival and excellence. Olympians trained with basic exercises, running, wrestling, throwing javelins. Not to look good, but to be the best warriors and athletes they could be. Fast forward to the 1900s, and we start to see the modern gym taking shape. Weightlifting became popular, and gym equipment evolved. Today we have specialized gyms for everything from boxing to yoga and tech-driven fitness centers that track every move. No matter what your fitness journey looks like, remember that staying active has always been part of the human experience. It's not about where you do it or how fancy the equipment is, it's about doing the work and feeling strong. Ever hear people say, working out is exhausting or running is boring? I bet you have. Maybe you've said it yourself. But here's the thing, it's a myth. Working out actually boosts your energy levels and makes you feel alive. Let's break it down. Endorphins. These feel-good chemicals flood your body when you work out, giving you that post-workout high. Blood flow and oxygen exercise increases circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain, making you feel alert and sharp. Adrenaline boost. Exercise triggers adrenaline, your natural energy booster. Cortisol regulation. Regular workouts help balance cortisol, the stress hormone, keeping you calmer and more in control over time. Think working out drains you? Nah, it does the opposite. Once you get past the initial effort, you'll feel a surge of energy, clarity, and focus. It's a game changer. Does running bore you? It doesn't have to. Here's how to make it interesting. Turn it into a game. Use interval training to challenge yourself. Run hard for 30 seconds, then jog. It's fun and great for endurance. Use apps. Apps like Zombies, Run, make workouts interactive. Or compete with others on Strava. Change the scenery. Explore new trails, neighborhoods, or parks. Running is an adventure when you mix it up. Run with friends. Working out with a buddy adds motivation, accountability, and fun. Share your wins and push each other. Here's a secret. The first 10 minutes of a workout are always the hardest. Your body is warming up, your muscles are stiff, and you're tempted to quit. But push through, and something amazing happens. You hit your stride, your body loosens up, and it becomes easier. That's the key. Just start, and you'll finish strong. So whether you're hitting the gym or the streets, remember, fitness isn't about fancy equipment or expensive memberships. It's about showing up, getting creative, and staying consistent. The rewards are endless: energy, clarity, strength, and a sense of accomplishment. Now I want to hear from you. Do you feel that energy boost after working out? Do you have a favorite outdoor spot for exercise? Drop a comment and let's keep the conversation going. This version retains the length and depth you need, but with sharper, more engaging language.